Hello and welcome to Sunira Digitech. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of e-commerce marketing. Whether you're starting a new venture or looking to elevate your existing online store, this video is crafted just for you. Here, we will guide you through 10 game-changing e-commerce marketing strategies that could redefine the way you engage with your audience and drive sales. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of your online business. First and foremost, success in e-commerce begins with thorough market research. Picture yourself as a detective, piecing together the puzzle of your customers' desires. This isn't just about knowing what they want to buy, but understanding their behaviors, preferences, and the challenges they face. Utilize tools like surveys, social media listening, and competitor analysis to gather this intelligence. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly products, discover what aspects of sustainability matter most to your customers. This knowledge becomes the foundation of your tailored marketing strategies. The right pricing strategy is one of the most important aspects of e-commerce marketing. Pricing can make or break your e-commerce success. It's not just about being competitive, it's about finding the sweet spot where value meets affordability for your customers. Consider dynamic pricing strategies that adjust based on market demand, competitor prices, and your cost of goods sold. A and B variation testing price on your website can provide insights into what your customers are willing to pay. Remember, it's also about perceived value, so highlighting the quality and uniqueness of your products can justify premium pricing. In the crowded e-commerce space, standing out is the key. Identify what makes your brand unique and lean onto it. This could be your brand story, a unique selling proposition, or an innovative product feature. For example, if you offer handmade jewelry, your differentiator might be the artisanal story behind each piece. Communicate this uniqueness through all your marketing channels to resonate with your audience and build brand loyalty. Always remember, it's actually the story that sells. Now, onto one of my favorites, organic social marketing. Organic social media isn't just about posting. It's about engaging. Create content that sparks conversations and encourages sharing. Use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products in action, and don't forget the power of stories for behind-the-scenes glimpses. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. User-generated content, like customer photos with your products, can prove to be exceptionally effective for building trust and community. Email marketing still remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. But it's not just about sending out blasts, it's all about providing value. Segment your list to offer personalized recommendations, tips, and exclusive offers. For example, send a curated list of products to customers who purchased similar items. Remember, the goal is to nurture a relationship, not just push sales. Once you've got a customer, the next step is to increase their value. This is where upselling can help. Always remember, upselling is an art, and when done right, it can significantly increase your average order value. It's not just about selling more, it's about selling smarter. For example, if a customer buys a camera, offer them a discount on a tripod. Make these recommendations relevant and timely to enhance the shopping experience. Partnering with micro-influencers can turn out to be a game-changer for your e-commerce brand. These influencers have smaller, more engaged audiences that trust their recommendations. Find influencers who align with your brand values and have an audience that matches your target demographic. This can lead to authentic endorsements that resonate more effectively than traditional ads. Customer reviews are like gold. They build trust and influence purchasing decisions. Make it easy for your customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Feature these testimonials prominently on your website and on social media. Positive reviews not only build credibility but also help potential customers make informed decisions. Address negative reviews promptly and constructively to show that you value customer feedback. Always remember, a positive review is like a seal of approval from your customers to potential buyers. Who doesn't love free stuff? Viral giveaways can significantly increase your brand's visibility and grow your email list. Offer a prize that's relevant to your target audience to ensure participation from potential customers. Use this opportunity to collect email addresses for future marketing efforts. Encourage sharing by offering additional entries, referring friends, or sharing on social media. Here, the key is to make your giveaways shareable and engaging, encouraging participants to spread the word for your brand. Finally, tap into the power of video advertising. Videos can showcase your products in action, tell your brand story, and engage viewers in ways that text and images cannot. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer robust targeting options to ensure your video ads reach the right audience. Remember, the first few seconds are crucial, so start strong to capture attention. Always remember, videos can create a stronger connection with your audience. And there you have it, these were our top recommended e-commerce marketing strategies to take your online store to the next level. Remember, the key is to stay authentic to your brand while continuously testing and refining your approach. This is Gary signing off from Sonera Digitech, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through these strategies today. Stay tuned for more insights, and best of luck for your e-commerce success.